Hello friends, welcome to Kavita's Kitchen. Today I am going to show you how to prepare paneer vegetable kati roll. Kati roll is a street food dish pretty famous in most of the cities in India, which originated in Kolkata, West Bengal, India. Kati rolls predominantly have non-veg filling with a layer of egg. Since we are vegetarian, I have chosen to make a vegetarian version of kati roll. Hope you guys would love to try this. Now let's see what all ingredients we need to prepare paneer vegetable kati roll. We need 1 cup of maida, 1 cup atta or wheat flour, oil, turmeric powder, cumin and coriander seeds powder, garam masala, red chili powder, finely chopped ginger, salt to taste, tomato ketchup, finely chopped coriander leaves. We need paneer and some vegetables. Here I have taken chopped onion, capsicum and color bell peppers. Now we can start preparing the dough. Take maida, wheat flour, add salt, 1 teaspoon of oil. Mix this well. Add water and make it into a soft dough. If you would like to make it more healthy, you can use only wheat flour. You can avoid maida. Soft dough is ready. Close the lid and rest it for 15 to 20 minutes until we can prepare the paneer vegetable masala. Keep one pan for heating. Add in oil. Once the oil is hot, add finely chopped ginger. Saute it little bit. Now we have to add onion. Roast it for 1 to 2 minutes. After 2 minutes of roasting, we can add capsicum and color bell peppers. Mix everything well and roast this for 3 to 4 minutes. Now it's almost 4 minutes. We have to add paneer pieces. Add turmeric powder, red chili powder, garam masala, cumin and coriander seeds powder, salt to taste. Slowly mix everything together and roast it for 1 to 2 minutes. Close the lid for 1 minute on low heat. After 1 minute, open the lid. Add tomato ketchup, finely chopped coriander leaves, Give it a good mix. Switch off the stove and take it off from the stove heat. Dough has been resting since 15 minutes. Now we can prepare the flatbreads. Apply little oil. Knead this dough for 15 to 30 seconds. Now we can make the dough balls. Dough balls are ready to make into flatbreads. Keep tawa or skillet for heating. Take one dough ball. Coat it with wheat flour or maida. Press it little bit. Now we have to roll it like a thin flat bread. Whenever rolling pin sticks to dough, we have to apply wheat flour or maida. To make it into a round flat bread, we have to roll it always to the edge. This flat bread is ready to roast on hot tawa. Keep stove heat to medium. When you see small bubbles like this, we have to flip it to the other side. Apply oil. Flip it one more time. Apply oil this side as well. Press it little bit. Flip this one more time. When we see light brown spots on the both sides, we have to take this out from the tawa. Flatbreads and filling is ready. Now we can prepare the kati roll. Take one flat bread, apply tomato ketchup, now we have to add paneer vegetable filling. We have to roll it. Paneer vegetable kati rolls are ready to enjoy. You can enjoy it with tomato ketchup and some pickled onions. Please do try this at home and let me know your feedback. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye. Take care.